Hello friends, we are back with another video, and this way we are pasting this earbuds and making a nice house, and here we will make nice parachute with the help of this nice colorful clays. This is how it's done. Now we are taking another red color paper, and this is how we are trying to fold. We are folding in such a way so that it looks like a nice strawberry, yummy strawberry, and this is how it is made. And using a green color paper we are trying to give the leaves to this nice strawberries, and we'll create this dot pattern so that it depicts its seeds. Now we are trying to take another paper, and this is how we are trying to fold so that it makes something like a fox look. Now we'll draw this eyes, nose with the help of cutout pieces. This is how it's done. Now we are taking this red paper and we are making it a half apple shape over here. This is how we will try to decorate with the help of leaves. And now we are trying to make some insect over here so that it looks like this insect is very happy and he is eating this apple, and now he is about to complete the entire apple. Next one, we are taking another paper, and this is how we are trying to fold. After opening it and making this nice shape here, this is how we are trying to make something like this pattern over here. This is how we have created such a lovely bird shape, and this is how we have tried to cover it entirely, and it's our bird shape which is ready, and a dancing bird here. Now we are making this pattern and we are trying to decorate pumpkin face over here, and we are giving decorations as that of Halloween so that it gives a very good picture of Halloween, and this is how we have made such a wonderful diagram. Now we are taking pink paper, and this is how we are trying to fold so that after folding it to this nice zigzag pattern, this is how we have folded it further and cut it out and created a nice shape so that it looks like a nice cup shape over here. This is how we have done it, and now we are trying to make the holder, and this is how we have decorated. Now we are taking this plastic and giving this nice look to it, and different color we have taken. We are trying to make the lower part, and this is how we have made a lovely person over here and spreading the green things around that. This is how it's done, such a lovely season around, and it's an agriculture field over here. Now we are trying to make a colorful flower with the help of this several colorful craft papers. Now we'll spread it around and make such a lovely pattern, and using this green color we are trying to make the stick of this nice lovely flower. Next we are taking another paper, and this is the leaf that we have taken, and cut it out to the shape so that after cutting it out it looks something like this when we'll complete from the other part also, but here we are giving different shapes. This is how it's done, and we can paste in this nice tree and make something like this Xmas tree over here. This is how we can decorate our Xmas tree.